stops.
Stupid reverse light went out again. It's not as much louder as I thought it would be initially. But
It is deeper.
it is deeper. Then again, it was already high flowing.
Yeah.
I noticed more of a gas smell too. Well, it's not necessarily a bad thing to get ridiculously louder. But I do hear a deeper sound to it.
I love that bellow it gave it too.
It did give it.
Yeah, it didn't affect the power any.
Oh,
It gained it.
I think so. I know it's cold, but to do that,
But I didn't even drop it.
you
I
almost
punched
turned it sideways.
I know.
Oh man, I say the engine likes that.
It's like, free breathing.
Yeah.
Damn.
It's time to get some suspension mods.
Yeah, because I wasn't even completely flooring it.
Dude, once this thing gets some suspension mods.
It didn't kill the torque any either. That's about a quarter throttle was all.
So it may have picked up like 5-10 horsepower. Actually, I've heard of stuff like that. It will. And that's from the inside.
I know.
This car has got pretty good interior insulation.
It does. God. It gained back. Alright. Here's a good test run of the Stang with its fresh breathing engine.
Probably not gonna get good traction. Dude, I can't even floor it all the way. I hit 100 just by doing that. And not even,
I know you can't even floor it because
I
it's so
can't, it's
cold
totally
and
cold.
everything else.
didn't even take the red line.
Doesn't even hook.
But I got to 100 in that little short amount of time. Not bad for a little naturally aspirated 4.6.
And that is what can become of a free breathing engine.
Yes. The engine felt so smooth doing it too.
Yeah, it does wrap up quicker.
Oh.